Car Lockout Services in Charlotte, North Carolina. Master Locksmith 704-285-0882. Accidentally locked your keys in the car? Are your car keys lost or stolen? Our emergency auto lockout service can reach you within a few moments and help get you inside your car in no time. Locked out of your car? Car lockouts happen, and when they do, they can be very stressful. If you've ever locked keys in car before, then you will know how much of a hassle it can be. If you are locked out of your car, knowing that our auto lockout service is available to help you out can be very helpful. Our mobile car locksmiths are standing by and are prepared to assist you with all your car lockout needs. Our experienced auto locksmith technicians can offer you quick response times, round-the-clock availability, auto locksmith assistance throughout the country, licensed locksmiths at reasonable rates. Car Lockout Services by Master Locksmith are here to help you out with any vehicle lockout issue you might be facing. We service all types of cars, so no matter if you need assistance with your SUV, station wagon, Jeep, van, truck or motorcycle, we can help you get back on the road in no time. Have you ever lost car keys? Have you ever locked your keys in the car? It is also possible to have a broken ignition key stuck in the ignition. Locksmith Raleigh operators are specialized in car lockout situations and can provide a number of safe and effective solutions. A towing company that also handles car locksmith needs? Absolutely. At Master Locksmith Group, we consider any auto emergency a high priority, and offering car locksmith services goes hand in hand with the thorough roadside assistance and towing services we deliver every day. There are situations when people lock themselves out of their cars. For instance, you might have been shopping and while you were loading the bags in the trunk, you accidentally left your keys inside the trunk and you won't be able to get them. Another example is when you're fueling the vehicle and the keys left in the ignition. Of course, you can also lose the car keys and you don't have a spare key. We have car locksmiths that have trained and qualified that allow them to handle every make of car. They can also help you with any key issue and issues that come as a result of car security system problems. First of all, it is worth checking whether the spare keys can be obtained, if there is. In case you find yourself in an unpleasant lockout situation without a solution, you should first to relax and not stressed out to deal with the situation in the best possible way. Call us. Our car lockout services are available 24/7. Once we receive your call, we will get to your location ASAP. Thanks to our staff, you will gain access to your car in no time and you will be able to drive your vehicle again. It's every driver's nightmare. You locked your keys in your car or lost them, and now you're stuck. It's always a stressful situation, even if you're in a safe place. Your schedule is thrown off, and you know your wallet is going to take the hit. But if you don't know of a reliable car locksmith in Charlotte, it's even harder. The details behind your automotive issues determine if your delay is an irritation or a dangerous situation. Either way, your time is valuable, and you need someone reputable to help you. Our technicians are ready and willing to come to your aid, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We use specialized, state-of-the-art tools, or the tried and true methods, to unlock your car door, get your key issues taken care of, and get the job done. Leaving the keys locked inside the car is one of those situations that every driver faces at some point in their life. If you are far from home and don't have a spare key or transponder, you don't need to stress out. You only need to call Master Locksmith, and in a few moments, you can get back to the road. How can we unlock your car? A professional can open the car door using tools like levers, picks among others. The tool and method to be used depending on the vehicle's security system. The locks of cars change according to the model, brand and year of the car. Service must know diverse methods to manage to open the doors without damaging the frame, electronic systems. Another common cause of emergency to call us is when you leave the keys inside the trunk of the car. That is quite common, especially when you have packages in your hands. Drop everything inside the trunk and close the lid without noticing that the keys have also been dropped. It is also common when you have naughty children. Leaving the keys in the trunk seems worrisome, but the solution is pretty simple. Usually, the car door is opened, in order to open the trunk using the internal opening lever located inside the car. The lock can be opened directly, even if it takes a little more time. Our complete automotive locksmith services include car lockouts, rekeying, car key extraction, lock changing, car key replacement. It doesn't matter if your car is an antique, a luxury model, or anything in between. Our skilled locksmiths will take good care of your valuables and fix your automobile lock and key problems. Luckily, Master Locksmith is there for you and all of the Raleigh and surrounding area residents. We're your go-to locksmiths in an emergency and when you're planning ahead. Call us now, 704-285-0882.